The symbol of sigma indicates summation and used as shorthand notation for the sum of terms that follow a pattern. Sigma notation also plays a crucial role in physics. For example, it is used to calculate total work done by multiple forces or the total energy of system. I use percentage to determine the amount of profit or loss I am making, and also the concept of percentage and its formulae are used to calculate interest rates charged by banks on different types of loan. Pi is an abbreviation of the Greek peripheria, which means periphery. Pi is important to me because I can use this in most calculations for building and construction, quantum physics, communications, music theory, medical procedures, air travel, and lastly, and space flight, to name. Thank you for listening.